I will show you how to update the database details in PHP CodeIgniter. Open File Manager in cPanel and go to the installation folder. Click on The Application folder. Under Config, you will find the database.php file. Scroll down and you will find the exact location to insert the host name, database username, password and finally the database name. You can change the existing database driver name. So, this is where you manage the database connections. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon to get new video updates.